Cute card shop. Cute card shop. At ito, follow us. Yan, dyan. Gusto nyong... So, nag-open tayo ng dalawang Chronicles. So, ito yung 1, ito yung 2. So, paglalabanin natin sila kung sinong mas maganda. So, unahin natin si Trendon Warford. Okay? Si? Yan. Watford. RC. Keon Johnson. Threads. Moses Moody. Herb Jones. Lamelo Chronicles. Paul George. Complete. Mga green to. Shea. Gilgis Alexander. Donovan Mitchell. Treyang Luminance. So, may naligaw dito. Si Trey Murphy. No score. Evan Mobley. Yun. Cade Cunningham. Luminance. Jalen Suggs. Mobley. Playbook ni Suggs. Herb Jones. Threads. Kai Jones. Stitch. Ito is absolute memorabilia ulit. Si Watford. Si Alvarado. Hindi ko mabasa. Ayo. Jeremiah. Earl. KD. Markey. Trey. Proceed Suggs. Automatil na Luminance. Uy. Steph Curry. Kid. Jalen Green. So, ayo. So, meron tayong Kid at Jalen Green here. Plus Curry. Diba? Ito muna natin. Ito muna natin ito. Okay. Next. Mobley. Playbook. Expert. Brown. Si Josh Giddey. Austin Reeves. Rated rookie. James Bouknight. Kid. Sengun. Prestige. Uy, Jalen Green. Memorabilia. Meron tayong Scotty Barnes. Luminance. Siya to. James Bouknight. Ayo. Giannis. Donovan Mitchell. Dame Time. Giannis. Tatum. Harden. Primo. James Harden. Josh Giddey. Kessler Edwards. Sengun. Duarte, Wiggins, Greentil, Cameron Thomas, Singunlit, Jalen Suggs, Jokic. So, sino ang sa tingin nyo ang nanalo? Pack 1 or 2? Salamat.